Hey you guys, I'm out here in my secret hunting spot back on the backside of my land, and I'm looking for deer tonight. And deer hunting behind my house has gotten pretty bad over the last 10 years. And I'm going to explain why I think it has been, and you're going to get two different terms out of this tonight. You can look around and see where I live here real quick up on this hill. It's pretty up here, all the leaves are changing colors. So the two terms that we're going to get are limiting factors and carrying capacity. And here's where I think the deer hunting has gotten bad back here, because there's high limiting factors. Now you know what limiting factors are at this point. The limiting factors are anything that keeps a population down. So let me tell you what's happened back here over the last decade. See this field here? It's about 40 acres, and all of this used to be corn. All of it, all the way back to that tree line. If it wasn't corn, then it was either alfalfa or soybeans. And deer love to eat all three of those. So there was lots of food. Now it's mostly just weeds and grass, which are okay, but not the food source that corn and alfalfa is. So the food is gone down. So that limits the deer. The other thing is that the farmer back there, when he retired, he stopped maintaining his pond. So that pond is now dried up and it's filled in with cattails, and the deer really can't get to it to drink either. So not as much water either. And probably the biggest thing is the coyote population. Now we see coyotes up here, which feed on deer all the time. And the fourth factor I can think of is that almost everybody on this hill hunts just like I do. So the hunting pressure has gone up as well. So all four of those things are limiting factors. Now, the other word that I wanted to share with you is carrying capacity. This land used to have a high carrying capacity for deer. Now, the carrying capacity is the land's ability or the environment's ability to hold and sustain a population. So 10 years ago, because there wasn't a lot of hunters and there was lots of food and the coyote population was down and the water was good, there were lots and lots of deer. So the land was able to hold a big population, was able to carry that population. So now, since we have high limiting factors, our carrying capacity is low. That's the relationship between the two. If the limiting factors are low, which means there's lots of everything, so there's no limiting factors or nothing keeping the deer down, then the carrying capacity will be high.